After the unprecedented winter storm that left 95% of the island without power and water for several days, the Ryson team has been working tirelessly to inspect all of Ryson's properties for water leaks and possible damage and to take care of all necessary repairs. There is still a lot of work to be done and needed parts are on back order at many local suppliers. However, almost 60% of Ryson properties are back up and running safely. Ryson would like to thank our guests who've been patient during these hectic times as we've moved reservation dates and units to help as many people as possible. We are also very appreciative of our homeowners for being understanding during these times and working with us to get your homes back in order. Lastly, but certainly not least, thank you to the whole Ryson team for going above and beyond during and after the chaos. We appreciate you all. If anyone is in need of a place to stay with electric, heat, and hot water, please give us a call at 409-877-5244.